You machining intelligently? Advanced expanded application range with 8 cutting edges insert. Following the success of the NEODO S890 family, ISCAR is thrilled to expand the NEODO S890 line with new face mills, the S890 FSZ featuring a 90-degree cutting-edge angle. These face mills are equipped with square, double-sided S890 SZMU 10 inserts, offering 8 cutting edges for a diameter range of 40 to 160 mm. This new family is designed for rough to semi-finish operations, optimizing high-efficiency face milling applications, primarily targeting steel and cast iron components. The solution ensures versatility, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, delivering exceptional performance across various cutting conditions, including interrupted surfaces. The advanced cutting geometry reduces cutting forces, enabling smooth operations and lower power. The design includes a robust insert structure, durable cutter body, secure mounting, and progressive carbide grades, ideal for face and square shoulder machining, even with workpiece or fixture constraints. S890 SZMU 10 insert features: square double-sided inserts with 8 helical cutting edges for depth of cut up to 7 mm. Special rake face for positive rake and reduced cutting forces. Strong structure and wide wiper flat for improved surface finish. Made from Sumo Tech carbide grades for excellent performance and tool life. S890 FSZ face mills features 90-degree cutting-edge angle with a maximum depth of cut of 7 mm. Rigid clamping via a dovetail profile secured by clamping screws. Advanced geometry for reduced cutting forces and smooth operations. Available in coarse and fine pitch configurations with coolant holes in cutters up to 125 mm diameter. Economical price per cutting edge with excellent performance in various conditions. Targets EZO-P steel, ferritic, and martensitic stainless steel and EZO-K cast iron groups. The advantages include high productivity, economical insert use, and reliable process stability. This expansion marks a significant advancement in milling technology, providing customers with innovative solutions for enhanced productivity and efficiency.